Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi 10A, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store and then click on the search pool and here enter Ampere. Now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and then just wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app. Click yes, I agree, pick close. On the left down corner, tap to OK, and now we can see here information about our battery temperature. In my case, that's 31. Also, we can find here more information like the level, health, capacity, voltage, device model, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.